Right, well I decided that one Morris in the workshop wasn't nearly enough, so I brought in the Morris 1000. I've been using it quite a lot, and obviously it's been sat quite a while, so I've been away, and since I've been back it's had a bit of a misfire, which has been intermittent but very annoying, having to pull over and clean the points. So I decided it was high time to give it a birthday and a bit of a service, change the points and the rotor arm, and also change the plugs. It's a good opportunity to get all involved with it and have a little bit of a look, a bit of a grease up, and check everything's in good order. So it probably would have been easier to take the distributor off the car, but I decided to do it on the car, which made life rather fiddly because all the screws are tiny and you can't get in there. But hey ho, we got it all changed over. Here we are putting in some of the new spark plugs. So 4-cylinder 1098cc, this little engine. It's done 78,000 miles from new. It had done 67 I think when I started driving it, so I've done a fair few miles in it. I do use this car a lot. I quite like driving it. It's quite a practical car to drive in this current climate we're in, with fuel and everything. So they're the plugs that came out, not a bad colour, so I don't think the mixture's far off, and it does go well. It drives surprisingly well. So whilst I was at it, decided to check the clearances on the tappets. They're all okay, and this is where having a starting handle makes life a lot easier, because you can turn the engine over nice and precisely, so you can check all of the clearances. So with that done, time to put the top back on and see if we can get it started. Well, there you go. First time caught of a turn. I'm not sure if that says more about me or how healthy the engine is. But yeah, what a nice verbal she has. So time for a bit of a fiddle, do a few adjustments, and then off on the road for a bit of a test. As I said before, I do use this car a lot. I went to Lincolnshire in it the other week, and I've been down to Salisbury to see George in it, so it does do the miles. And it will do 70 miles an hour, so think of getting one if you fancy.